So I got sent a Vox box from Influenster. And I already know what it is, hence why I don't have my lashes on. So it has, it's called the Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon by Marc, and this is the picture that's on it. Well, basically just shows you all the different colors that it has inside. Shows you how to line your eyes, shows you how to do the smoky under eye look, how to layer, and then to do like quirky designs like the ones on the cover. There is nothing worse than being inside your house and having your whole family just while you're trying to film, and I can't exactly tell my mum to be quiet. It's very frustrating. Anyway, as I was saying, they sent me number 41, number 59, which is Earthquake, and Pink of Me. Ooh, okay. Let's see Pink of Me first. I don't know how I feel about pink eyeliners. I'm quirky, but I ain't that quirky. Oh, okay, it's very pink. Like, that's a really weird shape. Okay, first of all, it's very creamy. Very creamy. Like, literally, it just... You see that? Like, that just glides on. The only thing... This is what the actual top looks like. And this at the bottom here, you just twist it and watch. I hope you can actually see that it's getting higher, but it's getting higher and higher and higher. I mean, because I was going to say, this looks like it will be pretty tough to sharpen. Like, how am I meant to sharpen this? And as you can see, this is a really, really dusty pink. But when you put it on, it's like, oh, almost white. Okay, Mark, you might have just did something. Okay, Marcus, you might have just did something. Oh, okay. Next time I have so many white liners that do not come on this quick, this easily. Like, I'm practically stabbing my eyeballs to get it down. But this right here,
like, I ain't even mad. Like, what do you mean? So I'm just a bomb naturally? Like, I didn't even know.
The only thing is, I can already tell it's going to be its downfall, is the fact that it's so creamy that this will become so, not even necessarily just blunt, it will run out quick, because already in that process it had already gone down, and this is just literally the first time I've ever put it on. Okay, let's see what color this is. That one was Pink of Me. This one is Earthquake. Okay, I was kind of hoping it was blue, because I really wanted blue, but it's a brown. I'm not really a big fan of browns. It literally is exactly the same as the other one. I'm gonna push this one up a bit because it's very low. Okay, I already have liner on, so let's see how this goes. This is creamy. Oh, this is literally like a little minimum of it. So if I really wanted to and I was being lazy, or say I don't know, couldn't find my brow stuff, I'd probably end up putting this on my brow. So I think this is gonna probably become my brow pencil. Your brows get like powder and stuff and you need to go over them. Or like if I'm being fancy and I want to put it on my under eyes, then smoke it out, I will do it that way. But for me to actually use it, as an actual liner, no. Like I would, no. This is Velvet Noir, the mascara, which I also got sent by Marc, which by the way is the bomb.com. Okay, you see? No lashes, right? Like literally give me 30 seconds. Okay, now look. I don't have lashes.
I don't got lashes. But this short does make me look like I do. Like, it makes me look like I'm popping. Okay, so this is literally the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. One thing I will say is that Marc products are super duper good. Like, they are bomb. They are bomb. Like, from the few that I've been sent, like these two and this one, the quality is good. Like, it actually does something. Like, even though, yeah, you are spending like a little extra more, okay, maybe it's not a little, but you are spending more money, but the quality is there. And, you know, I would be 100% honest if I felt like you might go to buy a cheaper one. But, like, in comparison to the cheaper ones that I have bought, they haven't done this. So, I guess you are getting value for your money. So, I ain't even, like, am I mad? I ain't mad. I will put the prices down. Not in the thingy. I'll actually put them somewhere. I don't know whenever I figure out, but I'll put the prices down. I'll let you guys know just how much they are. Thank you so much, Influenster, for actually sending me these goodies. And I'll see you guys in my next post. My next post should be about hair, actually. Which reminds me, the only reason why I'm wearing this is because I actually need to wash it, so. I don't know. I'm about to do that. Right about now. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Like. If you actually like it, like it. If you don't like it, like it. If you're just not sure, like it. You know. Hit subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. And, I'm gonna see y'all soon, hopefully. Like 2018, like what's good? Like what's good? I'm about to get my lashes now, you poppin'. Like, y'all have ain't even ready. Neither am I, but it's okay. We're gonna do this together. And I'll see you guys in my next video.